Aftermarket dash cameras can be loaded with a host of useful extra parts and features. But what does it all mean? Watch this video and find out. While it was not the case in the past, even the most basic dash cameras today boast an auto record function. This is now considered a need-to-have feature, which starts and stops the camera recording with the vehicle ignition. Forgetting to press record is a thing of the past. Loop recording is another must-have feature, which overwrites the oldest footage as the memory card becomes full. However, having loop recording active means that important video from an accident could be overwritten if you forget to stop the recording. Such an occasion can be prevented if your camera has an inbuilt G sensor. If the high G forces of an accident are detected, the camera will save the couple of minutes before and after the event, apply GPS and speed data to the file, if your camera is equipped, and lock the footage automatically. A G sensor is also vital to the function of the park mode feature. Park mode is a setting available on many dash cameras. It will begin recording if the camera detects an impact while your vehicle is parked. Investing a little more in your dashcam brings extra features which could be vital in an accident. GPS hardware can stamp your video with speed and location data, helping you prove your case in an accident. Wi-Fi technology is also an option in many high-end cameras. Super handy for setting up your dash camera and reviewing or downloading footage. At the top of the range, some dash cameras bring even further conveniences and safety features. Options such as lane departure warning and forward collision warning are excellent in older vehicles. Even gesture recognition hardware is available in certain models, meaning a quick wave of the hand can capture a photo. Among these more advanced models sits dash cameras with front and rear facing cameras, some of which can double as a reversing camera, as well as a dash camera. Worth considering is the resolution at which each model records. The entry level is VGA or 480p, going up from there to 720p high definition, then up to 1080p full high definition, and 2K super high definition. Purchasing the highest resolution within your budget will ensure that every little detail is clearly visible in your footage. But resolution is not the only consideration to be made around image quality. Choosing a camera with a wider view angle will ensure you capture more of your surroundings, and a handy feature called wide dynamic range helps to keep the entire video well exposed. Finally, put some consideration into the size and type of the memory card used in your dash camera, remembering that higher video resolution or dual front and rear cameras will use more memory. Now that you're armed with all the info you need, check out the range of dash cameras shown in this video, and many more at Supercheap Auto.